Meet the Copper Golem, Minecraft's most lovable helper with a heart of gold and a smile that melts blocks. This charming passive mob isn't just about looks. It efficiently organizes your chests with a gentle metallic touch. Ever wondered how these adorable creatures make their sounds? Head over to Mojang's office in Sweden for a peek behind the curtain as the sound designer crafts the Copper Golem's clinks and clanks. Experience the magic of Minecraft's sound design.
Starting to work with the sound on this, I wanted the fundamental to be like metal stuff, but with a hint of something more playful.
This could be a good spin sound, I think.
The Copper Golem doesn't have this ambient, idle sounds that it just makes when it walks around like most mobs do. So the personality would have to be in its movement. I wanted to create a voice of these like metal sounds.
The Copper Golem spinning its head, and it's like something like this.
I recorded my own voice for the hurts and death sounds.
It's actually me.
Dying. Don't hit them. Unless you want to hear my voice.